everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special and incredible to share with you all. I got a package arrived from YouTube today and I pretty much know what's inside it. And I've just opened up and it is time to unlock the shiny silver playback button for Breathe and Thrive channel. I dedicate this to each and everyone out there, the subscribers, the people who watch my video, shared my video with your network, liked, commented, all of you. From my bottom of my heart, thank you. I got this card from Rick. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. And thank you, Rick, for this. And I also have from the YouTube CEO. Do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, I do. And your 100th? I'm not sure, but thank you from my bottom heart. Or your 1,000th subscriber. Again, thank you for those subscribers. Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. So, thank you. You're proud to honor your impressive milestones of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Congratulations to me. And we know that you have many more stories to share with your community. And we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And we are here to support you along the way. Thank you, YouTube. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember? Yours sincerely, Neil Morgan. Thank you, Neil, for this lovely recognizing certificate. I would consider this as for all those efforts and hard work, which I should recognize myself, and all the support I've received from you, your subscribers, and people who are watching now and who are going to be my future subscribers. I welcome you all, and I would promise here today I would deliver better content, more better than what I've been delivering, and I'm working towards that. And thank you for supporting me through this journey. Reaching this milestone has been a journey for me, and I learned a lot with lots of ups and downs, late night edits, hours of brainstorming for new content ideas to empower you the knowledge of lung and mental health. And it is worth it. And thank you for your support. And without you, I couldn't have achieved this milestone today. Thank you for believing in me, inspiring me, and being a reason for my passion to empower you with education on lung and mental health. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content your way soon. Signing off, Devi Sundar.